Don't get too sidetracked. Dead.
Yeah, 18 seconds, we gotta move.
Yep, time to move.
There's not any good cover out this way, so we've really gotta... They're at, shed. I saw him.
Call
He's
it.
at shed.
What shed?
Shed west.
Behind me.
Shit. I just have to move forward.
Knocked. Don't know where his friend is. We gotta get in zone. Right below us.
Where?
Knocked the guy in shed. Prone in field. Dead. Prone moving from shed. Dead. Last team is gonna be the guys up from Red House. Just two. I saw him. He's at the crest of the hill, 210 southwest.
There's only one.
No, there's... Oh yeah, he's at Cresta Hill, 210 southwest of me. He's got to come towards you guys.
Good.
Wait more.
Fucking 8 times with a car.
Dude, I love my car with an 8 times. I can just fucking annihilate people with it. Use stems if you don't have any stems up right now.
No, I've used them all.
I'm on my last painkiller right now. We got this shit.
Got this. Got this asshole.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna move up to you. He's probably gonna peek me. Be ready. I'm moving right now. Watch that little hill.
I don't know what you're talking about. 210?
South now. 195 south. I'm moving up to this rock right here. He's like directly 195 of me. Probably south of you guys.
Still looking.
Like, just directly where I'm looking. Do you see where I'm looking?
So like
Here,
150, 150, 165?
I'll throw... He's in
Oh, he's
vehicle.
in the
You
car.
can hear him now.
Oh, he's so dead. Shoot. Fire.
Stay at rocks.
God, fucking bitch.
Let's go, boys.
Save that shit. Money.